Mothra's laying down hard over there to the left. I think Mothra's AFK? Question mark?
Why? Why?
Alright, never mind. Mothra's up.
Why is King Ghidorah all the way over there? They're the only other big Psy. Because these two are like 1.0 or something. I should protect all of you.
I'd definitely be the target, so I'm gonna stay on top of this rock.
I would not go on that rock.
Really?
Yeah. I'd stay off the rock for you.
Alright.
Yeah, don't go on there.
I mean, this is all person's gonna die.
You guys run from them, but the problem is if they get on that rock, they can push through the sides to get to you, and you're just dead if that happens.
True.
They're gonna try it.
They're going for it. Going in for the blinds. One blind. They're both blind. Go for it.
Even
Anyone?
the big one?
Anyone? No one? Anyone?
I can't do. Oh, they bit him. They someone bit.
I got a blind.
They bit each other.
Start crunching shit.
I'm being very careful here because,
okay,
like.
Get blinds again.
I can't do much because I'm a bear.
Got a blind on the purple. Purple's blind.
I don't want to go too far out. That's a problem.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. I'm just gonna keep blinding him to throw out chaos. You're good. You're good. It's careful. Pull back. Red's blind.
I could try to get behind one, but whatever.
I've injured the black one.
Yep. Purple's pushing in. I'm gonna blind him in a second. Purple's blind.
Do I risk it?
Green's blind.
I really want to get my health a bit.
Yeah. Just stay up high. Stay up high. Make them have to come to you. Can't get up there.
Oh, got it.
Buddy. Who died?
Horror. It was staying too close.
Oh yeah, okay. Ooh, we put in work there though. We put in work there. That was beautiful. Oh, good job, y'all.
Acro got way too close to come for comfort.
Oh yeah, that Acro's real close there. Careful on that. He might try to run you down.
Mm-hmm. And he's speed.
Yeah, I'll be close to him in case he tries to pull something.
Yeah.
Dude, I had so many blinds going off there. That was insane. If Herbie heard what?